Good everyone. Today we have a KAESER SK25. It's a SFC or Sigma frequency control screw air compressor built in 2014. This is 8.5 15 kilowatt screw air compressor. The compressor is in pretty good shape. It's only 10,000 hours on the run on the odometer and 8.5 bars of maximum pressure. This compressor is inverter version with let's open the with a Siemens frequency inverter. This is very well built machine. It's connected to 725 liters air receiver. So I will start the compressor now and see how it builds pressure from 0 to 8. Only 7,000 hours under load, and it's 181 hours under due to regular service. This is 750 liters air receiver. According to Sigma frequency control, the compressor will lower down the RPMs at 7.2, I think around 8 bars maybe. Yeah, around 8 bars. That depends on set point pressure. Like now. Yeah. So let's see. 8.3, 8.4 bars, that's the maximum pressure. The compressor is unloading now. Let's see the pressure in air receiver. I think this is a brand new gauge, but I think it's broken, so never mind. So this is a great piece of machinery. Thank you kindly for watching, and don't miss this item, and good luck on your bids.